So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can buy USDT on your Bitget wallet account. So guys, if you're planning on buying USDT on your Bitget wallet account but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, first of all, you just need to open your Bitget wallet account, and once you do so, you'll be in your home page. So guys, we just need to look at this lower bar option that has home, market, trade, discover and wallet. We just need to tap on wallet, and now you can see the option buy crypto right next to deposit crypto. So just tap on buy crypto, and guys, it says here that you can choose to pay with any currency that you want. I'm choosing US dollars, and you can receive USDT, which is exactly what we wanted. So I'm not going to change that, but in case you want something else, you can change it through here. So let's say I wanted to buy $150 worth of USDT, and now you can see the confirm option. Tap on confirm, and now you can see more options of USDT that you want to buy. You can see the payment method here, you can see the limit order, and in this way you can buy USDT in your Bitget account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.